easy. I mean, you look at it 4-1 and you think, yeah, easy game, but it was far from it in that first 20 minutes. They're always going to be a threat on the counter-attack. I mean, I'm surprised they are where they are, and letting Vieira go with 10 games left is crazy. But from our point of view, you don't know if that's going to give them that spark, that new manager, even though they've not got a new manager, but, you know, the boot up the arse that's needed, like what Everton got. So it was a tricky one for us today, and I know rival fans were looking at this one thinking, potential banana skin for us. And you've got the chance where it's hit the post when Zaha's gone through. Good save by Ramsdale. We had the fortune, obviously, of the ricochet not going in. But then after that, the way that we just muscled the game, like when we get into our stride and the flow starts, that flow state, the cohesiveness, the fluidity on the pitch, everyone knowing where we are, the crisp passing, the switching of play, it's scintillating. It must bamboozle teams. It's just so fluid. It's all over the shop. And for the latter half of that first half, we were magnificent. We were superb, honestly. But it's crucial to get the goals when you're on top. And the Martinelli finish was unbelievable and came at a critical time, I feel. And then the second one by Saka. I mean, for me, Ben White was man at match today. Although the bit when he booted it out for the corner, I love it getting G'd up, but then they score from the corner and it was a needless corner to give away. And we do really need to work over that over the next 2 weeks, an international break of defending from corners, because what's that, 5 or 6 maybe since the World Cup that we've conceded now? So something needs to change there, because, yeah, that's the only minor, really, not the clean sheet. And also from a set piece, I thought Ben White was phenomenal. Really thought he were on it today. And we go again, man. Like, it's important to get points on the board before everyone's going, oh, you got the game in hand. We always wanted the points on the board, and now they've got a game in hand on us. We just keep doing what we're doing. Important 3 points that. And I'm actually happy that the international break's coming, you know. As I just think, again, it gives more chance for the likes of Jesus, Smith-Rowe to get like a couple weeks more training sessions in, add to that fitness, add to that sharpness, and then Leeds, the Ben Random Derby, 1st of April, and we just go, man. We're playing quality football, and it's good to watch. They're playing like they believe they're the best team in the league, and I love it, because we're on job. When we click like that, it's unbelievable to see. Great to see Granit as well. I thought Granit was class today, and him making those runs. You know, everyone to a man were class. So yeah, man, enjoy the international break, and we'll be back. Honestly, man, top of the league, absolutely on job. 8 points clear with 10 games left, man. Let's stay focused, game at a time. Big ups, peace and light. Enjoy the world. Come on, Arsenal. Come on.